see the smoke in the back.
What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel and another video. Today we're gonna be doing something a little different. We're not really working with the M340i. I might give you guys a walk around, a little update. If you guys have not been tuning in, you can look at it and see what I've done updates wise, plans on maybe selling the car, something maybe in a future video. But this video is not about that. Today pull up by my boy and his 2017 BMW 430 Grand Coupe, and we're gonna test out some spacers. So some new wheels. I think they're like the 666M reps. Don't quote me on that. I ran these exact spacers. This is 4 of them right here, 4 spacers. I ran these. Let me put them down because the anti-seize on them is no fucking joke. I ran those 4 fronts, 12 millimeters, rear 20 millimeters on my BMW. On my BMW 435, they don't actually bolt up to the G20, so I had to get another set of spacers, and 20 mil was just too aggressive for this car anyway, even with the drop. We're gonna get out the car, walk around his, and then we're gonna see. He don't need no spacers. You can see the front looks spot on. What's going on, brother? All right. You can see the front looks spot on. That lip is completely flush with the fender, so he's good on that. See a couple upgrades that he got. I know he did this, the kidney grill. I think he got an intake on it. It's a B46 or B48 motor. Blacked out mirror caps with the thing on it. Obviously window tint, I think they all do that. And yeah, but the rear definitely needs some space. I think what I'm gonna do is just throw the 12 mil on the back and see how it comes out. It's pretty close, and the smallest size I have is a 12 mil, so I think I'm just gonna try that, but the 20 definitely ain't gonna fit. I was looking at it. Yo, I think you good in the front. I'm recording right now. Slow speed. These are the 20s. They was on the rear of my 435 with the stock tire, but this might be just perfect actually. I tried to test fit on my boy's M4 too, but it was an improper fitment for this. So you kind of see weird little way, but if you put it up right here, yeah, we're gonna have to do it in the back, see what we can get out of it. But I think it's gonna be kind of perfect. This ain't the proper type measurement, but it should be kind of perfect.
Bro, if it works, it works. If it works, it works.
Yo, I'm like, yo, once I see you put it back in park, I'm like, here we go, bro. Yo, that's good right there, actually. No, back a little more, Yeah, that's good,
You got the move, jacket, boy. You are just the car god.
Alright.
So what you doing to the car now?
I'm putting it back to stock. I want to sell it.
Yo, bro, no, you said 49.50, bro.
47, yeah.
47.
Yeah.
Damn, you really took the gold off everything.
Yeah, except for the wheels. I ain't taking the gold off the wheels yet.
Oh, this shit is on.
Yeah, I know that. No, don't do it that way, cause hold up. Yeah, you good, but just make sure you stay all the way on. You don't want to scratch nothing.
It's cool, it's okay, but right.
Especially not the rim you just got.
Yo.
That's all of them, right?
Yeah. I told him, like, you're going to, I don't want to hear nothing. Just fix it. No issues, no nothing. Just fix it, bro.
Oh, this shit's about to go crazy. We're gonna see. It might be a little too much though. We're gonna see.
Yeah, you got it.
It might be. Cause 12 mil. Cause not for nothing, these wheels is pretty decent.
Yeah, they thick.
Yeah.
Nah, bro, I love it. Hell no, bro.
It poked out a little bit.
Yeah, yo, bro, I love it. I love it, bro. Like, I love it. It's completely flush.
Nah, it's just poking out a little bit.
It's a little bit, but it's good, bro. No, it's fire.
Alright, you can get out and tell me what you think. Cause it lowers a little bit more when you drive it for some reason. After you jack the car for a minute,
Yeah.
you go right there.
Way different.
It's not bad though.
It's not bad because the rims.
Yeah.
Like these rims are thicker than the ones I had before.
This side just really on the edge for real.
Yeah, you feel me, bro?
Yeah.
Can you hold this?
Hell yeah, I can hold this. I gotta get the big bro slow speed in here.
Hey. Yo, your front scrape?
Nah, you good.
Oh, you right.
Yo, you know, after I changed the spindles on it, that's when it stopped scraping, bro.
What, the front?
Hell yeah. Trust and believe. Oh my God. Go ahead, Mike. Just go crazy. Go ahead. You got permission. Oh.
I forgot you got it too. Yo, it rides smooth. It rides smoother with these wheels on here.
Yo, yeah, yo, bro, I don't know. The other rims, they weren't it. The back rim.
Wait, it did that before?
Alright,
I gotta fix the
Did it go off?
Huh?
It's still recording?
Nah, it's still recording.
Oh, okay, go.
I gotta fix the brake shield thing.
Oh.
I'll push it back.
I'm just waiting for the adrenaline rush, Mikey. Go ahead.
Nah, it sounded like it was just the
emergency brake, yeah.
Yo, what you waiting
Stop teasing me! Bro, just do it.
Yo, it's so smooth.
Torn was saying the same shit to me yesterday. I didn't realize it until he told me.
It handles the bumps and stuff so smooth. The 18s? What you had on here before?
18s, bro.
Yeah, oh, so you just swapped the tires?
That's all.
Yo, it's so smooth. Like, you don't feel the potholes like nothing.
Bro, this is why when I was hitting him, I was like, yo, I was like, what the fuck? Like, I didn't even know, bro.
Yeah. You know, I already know. Go ahead, man.
He like, just give me a few seconds right there. I'm out your way. I'm out your way. Oh my gosh.
Yeah, they on tight.
Launch it from here.
Oh yeah. When you let it, you know what it is? When you let it build up more.
Yeah.
Yeah, you definitely feel the difference.
So build it up here. Go ahead.
Yo,
Build that shit. I need to know what it can do. Build it.
Go ahead.
Like, I need to know what this car can do, bro. Go ahead. Yeah, like.
Yo, what block is your block? Yo?
It's the last one right before the light.
Yo, I be spinning so many different other blocks, bro.
Oh my God. You know I'm about to just do launches all day now, right?
Let's go for a ride, I'll show you something. I'll show you a little bit.
Yeah, let me go see the monster. That's all I was waiting for you to do, bro.
I know.
Show me.
That's why I hate yo. That motherfuckers get me activated. I'll be like, oh yeah, just take it on the block.
Yo, bro, because yo, bro, you know what the crazy part is? Like, you drive it. Yeah. So to us, we enjoy your car way more than you really know how you enjoy your car, bro.
Nah, I know, but I be just chilling, bro. Like, I'll put gas in my car, but like, I ain't gonna really speed.
Oh no.
Let me put 85 just in case. And next thing you know, it's like, I'm over here doing damn near donuts on every block, bro.
Bro, it was so real. I filled my tank before I went to Corman yesterday, bro. I missed my exit twice because I was racing this Audi and this other Beamer. Just tunnel vision, bro. Just on some.
Nah,
Like,
don't even just wipe it. Like, check out the SD chip and just bye. You get what I'm saying?
Yeah, you definitely gotta be careful with that shit. Oh my God, like you about to have me go crazy.
Nah, I ain't gonna go that crazy. Cause like I said, my tires is shot. Y'all niggas be convincing me. Y'all niggas be convincing me to do way too much.
God,
and you know what be sad? Y'all don't even say it to convince me. I just be wanting to.
Yo, bro. Yo, bro, like, you see the difference in that, bro? Oh my God, son.
Yeah.
You didn't even get out of first. You didn't even get out of first with that shit.
Nah, I was in second, bro.
Oh my, yo, bro.
Nah, I know what you mean.
God, son.
He's stupid.
All right, I'm ready. I want that flutter. I want the flutter like that, bro.
The flutter's for sale, nigga. 47,000. You can buy the flutter.
Yeah, I see. You have me go like 40. Oh my God.
Nah, that's
careful you go forward. There's no patch right
I'm
here.
gonna probably hit the left.
Yeah.
I just be chilling. I really ain't gonna go crazy around here like that. We gotta get on the highway or something. This is way too sketchy. I thought you was gonna do the I know what you waiting for. I ain't gonna lie, you read my mind. I thought about it. I said, yo, should I hit this shit right here?
Bust it.
Let your man go by real quick.
Oh God. Yeah, you gonna shit. Yeah, because they be thinking they have BMWs on this block too. Yeah.
Oh, you stupid.
Yeah. Y'all don't even see the smoke in the back. You saw the lady's face just now? She didn't know what the fuck was going on.
Yo, I want to go look at the tire. That shit was wild. We gonna spin the block.
Yeah, we could. No worry, police don't be over here.
Yeah, that was just spinning the whole time. That's spinning the tires.
I know,
bro.
Yeah. I'll go get one of these, bro, but you're gonna get another one.
This one.
You're gonna get an M40. I'm like, I'm still behind on Mikey. What the fuck? Ain't gonna lie, bro.